Despite the fact it is facing a lot of trouble this year, telecom giant Vodafone is still launching plans for its customers. Now the operator has introduced new plan for this year where it is offering 1.5 GB data plans in the market. The telco has come up with 5 new plans for the year, and here is the list of all plans including the benefit you'll get with these plans. The first plan in that list is priced at Rs 249, where it offers 1.5 GB data daily, unlimited voice calling and 100 SMS per day. This recharge plan comes with a validity of 28 days. It also gives you free Idea TV or Vodafone Play subscription and ZEE5 subscription worth Rs 999. In fact, this plan is also a part of Vodafone Idea double data offer, which means you'll get a total of 3 GB data per day. However, this is a limited period offer and it will expire soon. Then there is a plan of Rs 399 where Vodafone is providing the same benefit as Rs 249. The only difference is here the Rs 399 plan will remain valid for 56 days. This plan is also a part of double data offer from Vodafone. Then there is a plan of Rs 499. In this plan, you'll get 1.5 GB high-speed daily internet. There will be unlimited calling facility along with 100 SMS per day. Vodafone Idea is also bundling additional benefit like Idea TV or Vodafone Play subscription worth Rs 499 without any extra cost. It also includes ZEE5 premium subscription will be available within the respective OTT apps. This plan will be valid for 70 days and it is currently available in only selected circles. The fourth plan in that list is priced at Rs 555. This plan offers 1.5 GB data for 77 days. It includes unlimited voice calling facility and 100 SMS for the entire duration. The benefits are also same like free Idea app and Vodafone Play subscription worth Rs 499 and ZEE5 subscription worth Rs 999. But this plan is available in selected circle at the moment. Lastly, there is a plan of Rs 599. This plan also offers same benefits like 1.5 GB data daily, same unlimited voice calling and 100 SMS per day. This plan is valid for 84 days. It falls under double data offer and it allows users to avail 3 GB data for the entire period, which means 84 days. On the other hand, a new report claims that Vodafone has stopped offering double data benefits to its customer in 8 circles. The company has shared this information via its website. This means these circles will not get double data benefit. According to the company website, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, UP West, Northeast and Punjab will not get this benefit. The plan under this category are priced at Rs 249, 399 and 599. These new changes are applicable to all Vodafone and Idea users. Apart from that, the company has announced that it has further enhanced network capacity in Delhi and NCR by deploying 900 MHz spectrum band on 2300 4G sites to support growing data demand during the lockdown due to COVID-19. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot and thank you so much.